Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
And the chuck fell off.
You didn't tell me when to do it.
It's alright. Didn't matter.
Just